Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this, I got the GiantMouse Sonoma version 2 here with me for a maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the video if you didn't subscribe to it already. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. You know what, you can also check out Fablades.com and @Fablades on Instagram to see if there's anything that you like. So let's go ahead, start. Like, this is gonna be, I'm guessing, like a T8 Torx bit, which is going to be probably this guy right there. Yeah, and for the handle, of course, that's going to work as well. So let's go ahead, start. This is a very nice knife made by Reassembly in China. It is, it's a very nice one. I had the titanium handle, which I honestly preferred, like aesthetically, but it wasn't as good as this one. If I remember correctly, the pocket clip wasn't that nice. And if I remember correctly, the action, it wasn't that stellar. So here the pivot is spinning. We're gonna need another bit to take that apart. And that is gonna be this guy right over here, right? Yes, like that, look at this. So you're gonna need two Torx bits to disassemble this guy. So just put one on one side, hold it together firmly, perpendicular, and tackle the other side very gently. And let's see. There you go, you see? This guy comes apart nice and easy. Just put the pivot there, keep it pinched. You don't want the lock bar pressure to just have everything fall apart. Not in this case. We're gonna need this plastic tool right over here to push the pivot out, if I can. Let me see, maybe like that, no tension. Not really. That is interesting. It's all right. Let's see if we can wiggle our way out like that. Just reduce the tension. And the handle is coming back on that side. Just remember to be careful because, yeah, these guys can be really dangerous. What am I missing? Why this guy doesn't want to come off? Let's be gentle as always, right? Maybe like that, no pressure. Wow, that's interesting. You see, it's not really wanting to come off. I don't know why is that. This feels like it's moving freely, but really doesn't want. Yeah, the color, that came off. Also, this tool is not that sturdy. I need something stronger. Let's try this. I mean, something softer. Wow, guys. This thing doesn't want to come off. That is weird. Let me try to wiggle a little bit like that. Maybe wedging something like this. Okay, looks like it's something is moving. Definitely. Wow, guys, that is very, very interesting indeed. I have no clue why this. Maybe the tolerances are that crazy. That is insane. Here's a pin coming off. Here's the backspacer coming off. Wow. This thing is like, there you go. I was jammed into it. All right, let's clean this bad boy up. Let's remove the other bearings like there. All right, cool. So we got everything in place. right over here. Washer is here, the other one is there, so that's pretty good. I'm just gonna grab this circle swab here to clean up all the greased areas. Let's go ahead, we'll start with the bearings, just like that, you see. Nice ceramic bearings, that's it. That is done. Okay, let's clean the inside of the scale. A little bit of pocket lint, not that much though, so that's done. And clean also here, all around the pivot, the bearing track and the stop pin track. Nicely done. This is a very cool nested liner into this pretty cool micarta. Scales, detent ball ramp, check. There you go. Let's clean also a little bit the blade like so. And let's also do this. Just the collar like that. And that's the back spacer also. I think this is brass, probably, I don't know. I need to check the specs. All right, so we're all done basically. Can go ahead and put this guy back together. So we're gonna need this pin right over here. We're gonna need the back spacer, which is going like that. Correct? Yes. And then we're gonna need one bearing, which is gonna go this way, up, like so, and a couple drops of 10 weight nano oil to do the trick, and that is good. And then we're gonna do the blade, like so. Bearing number 2 is in, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1 for the win for the pivot. So this is in place. That collar goes on this side. Let me see if I'm missing anything. So the actual, yeah, it goes here. So let's sandwich this way, and we are pretty much done, guys. So this can be just put together like that. Let's do the back spacer first. This is in. Correct. Looks correct. And now you got a collar, and now you got the pivot, which is steel. There you go. Nice. So this is done. We're gonna tune in a second. This guy goes here and this guy goes there in a second. So first handle screw is in like that. Just always be gentle. These are tiny screws, guys, so there's no need like to use an excessive amount of force. Here you go. Just tight enough, you know, just double check this guy. Yeah, that's fine. And oh, I missed a little bit of drop into the detent ball, which is this guy, and it's done. Let's just spread some nano love on that track. All right, blade looks centered, pretty solid. This is a snappy knife. Maybe I tightened it too much, so let me just try to see. Yeah, let's keep it centered. This is a very good one, guys. Really, really cool. No blade play, up and down. We are all set. I actually like this one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.